Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today I am going to show you how to create product mockups using Design Beast. If you don't have Design Beast yet, click on the link below this video and get it, and just get started. Okay, so here's exactly what we do. You log into Design Beast, and you go to All-in-One Design and Mockup Engine. Click there, and we're going to do, type in mockup. And they've got all these different products that you can do mockups for. Okay, so if you wanted to do a t-shirt, or if you wanted to put something on your phone, you can do all of these mockups. So I'm going to show you how to do a t-shirt. Okay, let's do this one. So this is where your image is going to go. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to delete it. You can upload your own image, or you can use one of theirs. I'm going to type in puppy. I'm going to grab this guy here. I am going to click remove background. Okay. Take this, minimize it, and then I'm going to add some text. Down a little, this here. Then I'm going to add a little more text. Go here. Okay. And then I'm going to get one more thing here. I'm going to go to objects. I'm going to get a heart. Take this. I'm going to bring this down. Oopsie. I'm going to take this little one. Go here. And if I don't like this background, which I don't, I'm not a big fan of yellow, I'm going to change this to, let's say, red. Click here. Again, I like red. And have that in background. Or it could be black, or it could be whatever color you want. But that's how easy it is to do a mock-up with this program. And if you have a shirt design and you got the graphic, all you'd have to do is, instead of doing this, is you would go to here, your uploads, you would upload an image, and then you just choose it and put it right there. So it's that easy. If you need to do mock-ups for your business, if you're selling t-shirts, whatever you're doing, this is a great way of doing it. Plus, there's so many different templates. You could sell this to clients and make a lot of money doing just this. I hope you're having a great day. Again, I used Design Beast. There is a link underneath this video. Go ahead, get it. It is amazing. Bye for now.